Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through Norwegian Cruise Lines and our experiences with that line. We went on my first cruise ever, but before we did that, we watched a whole bunch of videos about cruising, things to do, things not to do, which I will come out with a video about that probably next month or something like that. But for right now, we went on this Norwegian cruise in August of 2025, and I broke this video down so it wouldn't be really long, but I really wanted to get you to experience the entertainment side of it, what happened as far as entertainment. I did a whole separate video of Nothing Choir of Man. I got its own section because it was I did so much videos there, so I really wanted to get a feel. It's probably their biggest production show. But anyway, and also I want to give you also want to do a video on excursions, another video on the food itself, and another video on the ship and what's the ship layout kind of thing, and some things you can expect to see on the ship as far as embarkation, deportation. I guess maybe deportation. Disembarkation. But come on with this. I'll put whatever this one here is right down here. So that's going to tell you what this particular video is going to be about, which you should probably already know by the caption. Anyway, come on with this because you just entered the coolest life. This is actually inside the buffet area. I want to show you some of this. There's all the drinks down there. This place is not full right now, or it's not a little crowded because they've got a lot of it's still a day one, and people are doing other things besides eating, which is not now. So a lot of these are empty right now. Of course, there's not a lot of people in here either. I'm gonna look for some dessert. Actually, there's some in here somewhere. Very big place. Check it out. Steak sauce. Someone hand me a steak while I'm here, I assure you. I don't know if I want to get it from the buffet or not, though. I'm going to get something somewhere. Well, there's a cool... This is the restroom down here. You can see this area here. You can look down. This is where the observation deck is down below us. But this is pretty nice. This is actually where the seating is for the buffet. So it's pretty cool. And they got a lot of good seating here. Check it out. Really cool. Good job here at the buffet with all the carvings that they have. And this is different fruits and watermelons and stuff. It's really good. They did a good job with it though. Look at that. Really cool. Just something extra they do. So, I got my Reuben. I'm actually chewing stuff right now, so we'll see. They gave me some extra sauce because I asked for it. This is all free, part of the excursion. You don't have to go to the buffet every time, which you've only been once. Actually, breakfast is pretty good. They had some really good. I'm going to show it to you. One of my other pictures. It's got the probably some of the best French toast I ever had. I'm just saying, it was a chunk of French toast. It was amazing. Yeah, with banana caramel sauce. That was good. So that is actually the cheesecake. It's got the sprig of this and a thing of that. I think you're supposed to eat this. Yep, it's chocolate. That's the apple pie. I know apple pie. A la mode. You don't caramel with that one, did you? Yeah. That's fine. Maybe they didn't have it in the back. Charred chicken breast. Sweet mashed potatoes. Mac and cheese. Capers. Pizza. Actually, lots of places to sit right next to the bar. Ice cream. I like ice cream. This is one of those free restaurants that's over here called the Savor. This is a piece of bruschetta. That's some ravioli.
Pretty. Lobster.
She cut it. It's very small portions. I mean, this is just one piece of bread is all it is here. To get that in focus for you. It is just one piece of bread, but it looks good. I'm sure it's tasty. It's Boston bluefish someplace underneath all the greenery. And taters. I got taters, a different kind of taters, with some brisket. That's good. This is called the Blockhouse burger, something like that.
Wrangler burger.
Wrangler burger. Okay. Looks pretty good. This was the chicken barbecue
Chicken chili.
chili. It was pretty good actually. Not a big fan of chicken chili, but that was actually all right. These are salads, pretty good. She had the
Chicken pot pie.
chicken pot pie. Is it pretty good?
Yes.
Yeah, not bad at all. I think food in general it just tastes better with a nice view. I don't know why. It just does. Let's take a who?
Take a picture. Send it in admin.
Oh yeah. This one, she tells me, is so good she almost cursed. She said, "Oh my God." Really good, huh?
It's banana pudding with a whiskey caramel sauce.
Sure. Really good. Let's take a slice of it. Oh yeah, look at there. Those are delicious. I got a chocolate mousse I'm going to try. I'm sure it's like the others, which was very good. I basically ate all the last one that I had from the last restaurant we were in. This has been really good. As you know, I challenge myself with some gas problems every now and then, so I'm eating this one very slowly. But it's going down. It's very good. Real good burger. Glad we came. That's like a banana milkshake. Smells like mine.
Caramel. And it's hot, so it's melting inside.
Another day of a good breakfast. It's actually come from the buffet. I love these French toast things. Well, these are really good. The biscuits and gravy today. I didn't see them yesterday. And a good assortment of fruit and a wonderful view. So the helicopters are coming in for people to take helicopter rides. This is Skagway. We're going to go into town here in just a little bit. We actually got an excursion. We're going to go see one of the mountain ranges and stuff. So should be good. Looking forward to it. So we got a show in about 20 minutes, so we decided to come to the buffet. And the buffet had ribs today and salad. Someone try them ribs. I'm sure they look delicious. The ribs we had at the Manhattan room were really good. I'm gonna take a bite of them. That's not half bad. Good sauce on it. It's really saucy. And that's what I like about ribs. Just like I like about women. Saucy. Well, today we're back in the Manhattan room and we've got shrimp Alfredo. She's got, what was that shrimp?
Shrimp Alfredo with the
Shrimp
extra
Alfredo with extra mushrooms. And of course a nice white wine, which is what is it? The Moscato, which is nice, a nice sweet wine. It's got a beautiful bouquet, as you can smell. And we had some we got dessert coming, which is carrot cake, which I like carrot cake. But good meal, and it's not a huge portion, which I'm okay with because we tend to eat a lot on this ship. I'm just saying. Oh, look at that glass, so sexy. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Cosmopolitan. I've actually never had one. So I said on this trip I was gonna try some different. I had a mojito for the first time. I'm not really big on trying different drinks that cost a whole lot of money. But this is the whiskey bar, so they got all kinds of stuff here. They got specialties and stuff. Check this out. So they got daily specials, which is today is Wednesday, so they got the Cosmopolitan. So, but they got other ready-to-drink stuff, Sunny Ma, all kinds of wine, spirits. So, yeah, most of it is part of my drink package. So I don't have to worry about what it costs or anything. I just hand them my card and it's part of my drink package. Pretty cool, huh? Here in the buffet, they're putting up a new ice sculpture. Nice. I guess they make them early and keep them. That's awesome. They're getting ready for lunch. That's what they're doing. So now we're in the American diner. This is the meatloaf here. Not big portions. I mean, that's a standard size fork. So that's about 4 bites there or something like that, but that's okay. That sandwich is good size. Is it the chicken salad?
Salad.
That should serve with bacon. She got it without the bacon, but this the pate stuff that they have here. It's really good. What's that stuff called? It's called
Seafood dip.
seafood dip. It's really good. You can just sit right there. And of course, the view makes it all worth it. And that would be known as bread pudding. What bread pudding?
Whiskey dip.
Whiskey bread pudding. Could be 18 there. I could eat that. And that is carrot cake. You know, kind of got the carrot colors and stuff. I think these are pieces of chocolate or something. Yep. Look good. Probably a little cold, is my guess. Actually, it's not just the way it cut. It seemed like it was cold, but it's not cold. Good. Frosting's real creamy.
You should have cream cheese.
Yeah. I don't know what this stuff here is.
Extra syrup.
Extra syrup. It's for dabbing. That's all right. So we've actually been eating a buffet a little more often than I thought we would.
Mostly breakfast.
It's mostly breakfast. I will say I haven't been to a ton of buffets, but it's probably the best buffet I've ever had in my entire life. But again, I don't go to a ton of them anyway. But the view makes up. We're actually south of Juneau. We're actually on our way to Ketchikan, and we're between land masses, so we don't get a lot of that Pacific waves and stuff, so it's really smooth sailing. It's like going across a lake basically. Let me dig in, and yes, that is a steak. So I'm back for seconds, and I found another crab cake, which is good, or is it salmon cake? And this is salmon. It reminds me of a calzone in a sense. It's got this baked around it. It looked like a big loaf of bread before they cut it. So looking forward to that. And of course, that little piece of cheesecake there. Oh yeah. And of course, the view. Oh look, there's a boat. Got the ribs, and it definitely looks good. If it's anything like the others, the sauces, they got a really good barbecue sauce here. Chicken Milanese should be good too. They've always had a good chicken here. The service today was a little slower toward the end of the trip. I thought maybe this might happen, and it did. But then I'm glad they put the coleslaw on the side. I was afraid I was going to get it said barbecue pork and coleslaw, so I thought it was going to be a sandwich, but I'm glad it's not. Back down here at the brew house. Think about these places. You can just come in and just stay for 15 minutes or so, just leave. I actually got this mudslide from the pool bar up on the 16th floor, and I jumped down here to 8, and here I am back at the brew house pub, which of course has got Guinness. If I'm not drinking this, I'm drinking Guinness. Listening to watching some old soccer, I think. So we are back in here to Manhattan, and it's part of our cruise. And this is a lamb chop, and someone's doing happy birthday. They're doing it for somebody else. So we are back in the Manhattan diner, which is actually part of our meal plan here. You don't have to go to buffet all the time. This is actually a lamb chop. It looks very tasty. I like saucy anyway, so we're good there. And she got the fish. I think it's a cod, isn't it? Some kind of whitefish.
It's a whitefish, but it's not cod.
And this is late in the day. This is after 9. It's actually about 9:30 now. So the place is open. You can tell they're about ready to close. So getting close to close. I think they close about 10. But very nicely done. Service is great. So bon appetit. So we are back here in American Diner, and I got the white bean chili. Very good. Had it before. My wife gets this one all the time. Once we got it the first time. It is delicious. What is it again? The what?
Fish.
Fish dip. It's very good. Very good. I'm getting the Grecian salad is what this one is. They make a Caesar and a Grecian here, so you got your kind of got your pick of each one. So I'm do the Grecian right now. I'm also got a hamburger coming. And what do you got coming?
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie coming. So we'll get you a picture of that one too. Eat again. A place called The Local here on the ship. So I got the wings. They look delicious. Actually, I haven't had a taste of them just yet. I got the Reuben. I had it before. It is definitely delicious. I had the chips before. We actually didn't like them too well because we didn't like that part. The chips were fine, but that part there just wasn't all that good. My wife got the fish today. It's going to look like that if you ever get it. Again, this is a local, so they're going to serve it in these baskets like this, whereas you get the same meal at one of the other places. If you got this at the American Diner, you get it on a plate. Same meal though. Of course, you can get the drinks. We got the drink package, and I'll be doing another video on the drink package to let you know if we thought it was worth it or not. Because I'm drinking Chivas Coke, and she's drinking a fluffy drink, but they're both about $15 if you pay out of pocket. So maybe it's worth it. But it's great to have. We try to come to local if we're going to eat and when they have live music.